Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you to anybody that's listening right now or watching. I appreciate you. Oh, and thank you so much, you guys, for 43,000 subs. I just checked today. Wow. I'm so speechless. I'm so grateful as well. So thank you. I'm gonna try my best to design more things for you guys. It does take kind of a long time to make dresses. This dress right here took me about a month to work on. I wasn't working on it like every single day, but I did, put a lot of hours into it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for that. Wow. But this is my fifth dress design. This is my flower dress. It's completely handmade. I also made a matching phone carrier. Everything that is on the dress is handmade. The flowers, I put the rhinestones on the flowers. And yeah, I had the dress made for a few days. I was waiting to model it when it was sunny out so the sun could hit the rhinestones, if that makes sense. But I hope you guys like it. Y'all know I'm always coming with the sexy dresses. They gotta be real sexy, real cute. I like the little slit up the thigh, short as possible. But I hope you guys like it, and I'll try my best to be back soon with the new design for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share me. Sharing is caring. Share me. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, and everybody have a good, happy, and safe Sunday.